Okay, see the new bushing, new bushing, new bushing, and the new bushing. New bushings are installed, so basically now just peel off the old gasket and put the new gasket in and reassemble. And all buttoned back up. I was told that with these bushings it would crank faster. I didn't really buy into that, but see for yourselves. The vent right there, so that's what I cut a hole through the rubber grommet. So this is where the vent goes. Cut a hole through the rubber grommet, put a push disc, went to an automotive store and got a little barbed vent tube, put it in, hooked a piece of tubing to it, and then you can see the tubing runs up along with the wiring harness and up, and I run it into inside the frame where it vents. So sealing the bottom of the cover here, where the original vent was, then there's no water can get in or out of this. And it used to be this vent would allow condensation to get in and cause moisture to build up, and then that would end up in the starter motor and you end up with starter problems.